Experiencing voice chat issues in Marvel Rivals? You're not alone. Many players have encountered problems with voice chat, ranging from complete silence to one-way audio. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to get you back in the game, communicating effectively with your team. We'll cover everything from basic checks to more advanced fixes based on common problems and solutions. First, let's cover the basics. Ensure Marvel Rivals has microphone access in your system settings for Windows, PlayStation, or Xbox. For Windows, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Microphone, and make sure Allow apps to access your microphone is turned on, with Marvel Rivals enabled. On Xbox, check volume and audio output settings to ensure headset audio is configured correctly. Next, check your in-game audio settings in Marvel Rivals. Make sure voice chat is enabled, the correct microphone is selected, and adjust volume sliders so you can hear others and they can hear you. In the game settings menu, you'll find options for voice chat input device, mode, and volume controls. Try toggling between push-to-talk and voice activation to see which works better for you. Don't forget to restart the game after making changes. A stable internet connection is crucial for voice chat. A minimum of 10 Mbps upload speed is recommended for smooth voice chat. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired connection for a more stable signal. Firewalls or VPNs can sometimes block voice chat ports, specifically UDP 27000 through 2750 for Epic Games. Check your firewall settings or temporarily disable your VPN to see if that resolves the issue. Restart your router to refresh your network connection. Marvel Rivals integrates with different online services depending on your platform. On PC via Epic Games Store, ensure Epic Online Services is running correctly and that you're logged in. On PlayStation and Xbox, verify your console's online chat settings are configured correctly and that you have an active PlayStation Plus or Xbox Live Gold subscription if required for online play. Troubleshooting starts with verifying these integrations. PC users, driver conflicts can be a common cause of voice chat problems. Incompatible driver updates may interfere with audio processing. Some players have reported success by rolling back their Realtek audio drivers to version 6.0.9274.1. First, open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start menu and selecting Device Manager. Next, expand the Audio Inputs and Outputs section to find your audio device. Right-click on your audio device and select Update Driver from the context menu. Choose the option to browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Find and select the older Realtek audio driver version 6.0.9274.1 from the list. Once the driver installation finishes, restart your PC to ensure the changes take effect. The Marvel Rivals community is a great resource for voice chat solutions. Check Reddit forums like r/Marvel Rivals for user discussions and troubleshooting tips. YouTube offers video tutorials for step-by-step fixes. For example, a popular video showed fixing PS5 voice chat by enabling Allow microphone access in system settings and restarting the console. User-generated solutions, often shared via Steam forums or Discord, are primary resources for fixes. These may provide workarounds specific to certain hardware configurations or software conflicts. If you've tried all the basic checks, network fixes, and platform solutions without success, consider reinstalling Marvel Rivals. This process can fix corrupted game files that might be causing voice chat issues. Start by backing up your save files to avoid losing progress. Then, uninstall the game completely from your system. Next, download a fresh copy from the Epic Games Store or your platform's store. Finally, install the game and launch it to test the voice chat. If the problem persists after reinstalling, reach out to NetEase support for personalized help. Go to the Marvel Rivals support page on their website and create a support ticket. Be sure to include detailed information about your computer or console setup, all the troubleshooting steps you've already attempted, and any specific error messages or codes you've seen. Adding screenshots can also help the support team diagnose the issue faster. The future of voice chat in Marvel Rivals looks promising. NetEase plans to integrate AI-driven noise suppression and automatic language translation in future updates, such as the upcoming Patch 3.0 expected in Q3 2026. The industry is trending towards more immersive, AI enhanced features, with a focus on accessibility and cross platform fluidity. This includes better support for diverse players and seamless communication across platforms. Ongoing improvements by Epic Games and other platform holders should lead to fewer platform specific bugs. Expect more reliable and feature rich voice chat experiences in the coming months, potentially including spatial audio by 2027.